Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW 3 Series guys, E46 and it's diesel engine or a 4-wheel drive guys, okay, we're going to explain to you. You have one fuse guys that is for the diesel fuel heating, and it's also the same fuse on the 4-wheel drive BMW. This is for the all-wheel drive. We'll explain where that fuse is guys and where to find it, how to replace it. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos to you guys. So please subscribe to the channel in return, like the video and drop a comment below. All the replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out. And let us show you now guys, okay, where that fuse is located. So, we need to go guys to the passenger side of the vehicle right here. Open the passenger door, get to the glove box, okay, right here. And we need to open that glove box now. Once we open the glove box guys, I'm going to show you now right here. Okay, we're going to have two things that we need to turn towards the outside. Okay, so we can drop the fuse box down and reach all the fuses. The fuse that is for the fuel heating, okay, and the 4-wheel drive, it's actually guys fuse number 36. Okay, fuse number 36 guys. And looking at it, okay, you will see the numbers right here, okay, and this big huge fuse right here guys, this is your fuse number, okay, 36. So you grab it, okay, and you pull it out. You can find guys this replacement fuse guys and all the fuses that are used in that BMW listed guys in the description of the video below guys for your convenience, so please check it out. So this is the fuse. All we have to do after that, okay, if it's good, you know how to check it, right? Okay, you look at it, if that element inside is good, okay, it's not burnt and it's continuous piece, then it's ready to go. This is a good fuse. So that's where it's located. All we have to do, push it in guys. Okay, don't forget to push it up now. If you guys want to see any specific video, drop a comment below guys. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So we would really appreciate all the support. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.